Hi, this is Megan with Neil Smiles Orthodontics. Today we're going to show you how to properly use chewies, especially when you're seeing spaces between your trays and your teeth. So we want to always make sure that our trays are fitting nice and snug over your teeth with no spaces. This little illustration shows trays not fitting so well with spaces down below. We do want to make sure that our trays are fitting nice and tight with no air pockets between the trays and aligners. If you do find that you are seeing air pockets and space, you're gonna use chewies. Those are two little rubber cylinders that can be reused, so make sure you wash your hands first. After you use them, you can rinse them off or use toothpaste and toothbrush on them as well. So with your trays on, making sure that you're pushing them up across nice and tight on the top and the bottom, you're gonna use your chewies by placing it in between your teeth, squeezing nice and tight, holding it for about 30 seconds, and moving them across, especially on the places where you're seeing those spaces. So I'm just gonna demonstrate. Once you do that, Dr. Neil recommends doing that about 5 minutes a day, every day, until those spaces are gone to ensure proper fit of your aligners and a great outcome of your treatment. See you soon in our office. Take care.